How to crochet in rows. We make our foundation chain, starting with a slip knot. We are going to make 11 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Why 11? Because we are going to go back, and we never work into the first chain from the hook. We always insert into the second one. We make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. When making the single crochet, always insert into the top loop of the chain. Here, I'm using single crochet, but you can use slip stitch, double crochet, half double crochet, or treble crochet. It depends on the project you're making. When we reach the last chain in the foundation chain, we make a single crochet, then chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook, and now we turn. Do not insert into the chain 1 you just made. Start in the last single crochet of the row. And now we begin our second row. When we reach the end, we repeat the process. We chain 1, turn the work, and insert into the last single crochet made. This is how we work in rows in crochet. That's it for this example.